Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Will Horton, and I know that you, like me, want to learn the true secrets in a fast, effective, and easy way. And I've spent my whole career learning how to teach complex information very simply. I'm the guy that basically broke the code of NLP. They were making NLP more complicated, more convoluted, was harder to follow. And what I did is broke it down into its base components, made it faster, easier, and simple to use. So now I'm doing this with waking hypnosis. I call it secret mind control. How to get others to do what you want and have them think it was their idea. Because again, I know that you, like me, just want the information. How can I use this? Not just if you're a therapist or a hypnotist or an alcohol and drug counselor, psychologist, maybe you're a salesperson. What if you're a manager in business or the government? You have to influence people all the time. And the future is going to be controlled, as it always is, by the best communicators in the world. When you look at the best communicators, they accomplish the most, whether it's the Bill Clintons, the Nelson Mandelas, Tony Blair, Barack Obama. I mean, the list goes on and on. The truly good communicators influence people at a subconscious level. And that's what we'll be talking about. You know, one of the things that truly breaks my heart is when I see people that teach waking hypnosis, conversational hypnosis, whatever they want to call it, covert hypnosis, and they make it complicated with rules and regulations. First of all, a lot of the people that are excellent at this never took a class in it. They just understood at a visceral level how to really influence people and get them to take action. And then some people, like a Bill Clinton and a Barack Obama and a Tony Blair, have actually studied NLP and how it works and how to communicate. But they understood it and they actually applied it in a slightly different way. And so what I'm going to be teaching over twice a week on Tuesdays from 12 to about 1:30 or 2 for 3 weeks, and Saturdays from 1:30 to about 3, yeah, give or take an hour, but it'll be broken down. It's 6 sessions on Zoom, and so what you get is some hands-on training experience where you can practice it. You'll also get, and this is really cool, I videotaped when I did this course in Lebanon. It's about a 5-hour recording on Vimeo that you'll get that you can access. I would suggest you access it after the course because it'll be a beautiful follow-up. Also, each class that we record on Tuesdays and Saturdays will be uploaded into a private Vimeo account. So you'll have the access to the private Vimeo account so you can review the information at will. You'll also get the book I wrote, Persuasion. It's on persuasion. So it really starts to change how you look at the world. So I guarantee if you take this class, you're going to get a lot out of it in a different way than you expect. Then you'll become a master communicator with others and yourself. Because when you look to the future, when you really look to the future, you realize the past has always been controlled by the best communicators. So if you want to be a true master of influence and persuasion in the future, you have to take action today. And one of the biggest reasons people don't take action is they second guess. They decide their decision is not to make a decision. I'll do it later, maybe this, maybe that, and then things get put on the back burner. But if the last few months, as I'm recording this at the first part of September 2020, the last few months have proven anything to us, you can't delay. Because how many of us wish we would have maybe tuned up our business a little bit different to be online, have done this, have done that, right? Because the world changes quickly and it's only going to speed up in the future. So if you want to change now, you know, I'm going to show you the techniques and the tips and the ways that you can become a master communicator. So whether you're a therapist or a salesperson, or you just want to influence friends and family, this course is for you. I'm going to make it super affordable. There's going to be some extra bonuses besides the secrets of persuasion and the downloadable waking hypnosis, conversational hypnosis course. It's going to be a lot of fun, and I guarantee you're going to get a lot out of it. And you'll also, as a bonus, begin to actually learn how to influence yourself slightly differently. And I have to give it a warning. When you take this class, it will change how you see the world, because we're going to teach you how to put other people into a waking hypnosis trance. The side effect of that is it brings you out of your state of waking hypnosis. And so you see the world much differently. But it's been proven throughout history, the people that wake up and see what's going on are the ones that basically control what's going on. Because again, have you ever noticed that the people that make the rules don't follow the rules? And that's government, religion. I mean, the list goes on and on. And so become one of the people that knows how to influence people at the subconscious level. And sometimes it's a minor tweak. But once you get that, everything starts to change. I'm going to tell you a quick story. This goes back a few decades, but I saw it in action. And what I saw was they were trying to redo something in the tax code here in America. And basically it was, taxing the uber wealthy. And they couldn't get the change through. They wanted to lower the taxes. They couldn't get the change through. And they tried all kinds of things. But then one day, I forget the politician that was talking about it. One of them was Ronald Reagan, who was an excellent communicator. People forget he was an actor, and he was coached up in how to communicate. But they tried this and they tried that. When they made this one tweak, everything started to change. He was giving a speech, and he talked about lowering the taxes on the super high earners. And he says, some of you in the audience may not think that's a good idea. And he went one of these. But I guarantee you, when you're a multimillionaire, you'll be glad we did this. And then he just kept going. And he repeated that a couple times. And what began to happen, if you watched it, is people sitting in the audience who were blue collar workers, and nothing against that. I consider myself sort of a blue collar kind of professional. But everyone in the audience, especially in the United States and the Western world, thinks one day I'm going to be a millionaire. My business is going to take off, or I'm going to win the lotto or something. We just have that thought. And so instantly he put people into the place. Trust me, in the future, when you're a millionaire, you'll be glad we did this. And people went, yeah, that's right. And it changed the whole dynamic. And there's some other examples we could talk about. So sometimes it's a minor twist. It's nothing fancy, and it's not as bad as big as you think it is. And it's easy if it's done right. So I hope to see you again. It's going to be Tuesdays and Saturdays, and it starts September 29th, 2020, and we'll go on for 3 weeks. So it's twice a week for about an hour and a half, hour to hour and a half. And you're going to have homework assignments. It's going to be a lot of fun, books, things to do. We're going to have a blast, and you're going to learn the secrets of communication. I'll see you when we start the class. Have a great day.